Ayo, bought a new house and just to put the balcony to dry your clothes. Ayo, so wasted. Let me show you how. After you buy a house in Singapore, one of the most important things is you will realize how important is the total square feet of the area of the house. However, most developers in Singapore will give you big balcony like you see over here. See over here. And even some of them have no roof. It is such a big waste if you have such a big space. If it rains, it's like having no balcony at all. So as long as you don't have a roof, you will need this trellis roof thing. Whether you just bought a new condo or an old condo or a landed property, you will have extra space. Woo! If you do this. There are so many types of trellis. You look here, you look there, everywhere, all different kind of trellis, okay? But if you look and follow me in this video, I will teach you how to choose the right one for you. If you are looking for a solid top roof, what you can choose is an aluminium composite panel, an ACP for short. These are soundproof and they are options of the aluminium composite panel being fire rated as well. This is not the kind of roof that will create a lot of rattling sound when it's raining heavily, and this will give you comfort of your own space. Another good option is the SmartZip Pergola. At the touch of a button, you can actually open or close if it's raining. And even if it's sunny, same thing, you can at the touch of a button open it or close it. 就是讲这个是一个 convertible 的 roof 咯，下大雨、太阳全部都是没有问题的啦。So this SmartZip Pergola give you total control over your balcony. Balcony and patio can actually be turned into an indoor space and even switch on the aircon for you to enjoy in it. 哇，很hot 嘞。The third is with what we call a skyline system. It's a new trellis combined with our glass trellis with a SmartZip, so that with that you can create an outdoor experience that you always dream of. We do provide you with a good warranty package, and if it does happen that the thing is spoiled or needs servicing, we will be there. Most importantly, you need to choose a right vendor to help you with all this installation, especially a one that's reputed, that comes with a good customer service. Thanks for watching the video and this beautiful property. We'll see you in our next video. 就说这个是一个 convertible 的 roof， 你要开的时候也可以，要关的时候要太阳下雨全部都不要紧的啦。So this SmartZip Pergola number 1哇，下雨太阳全部都不要紧啦。